Hi, I'm 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗧, third generation Mason and the Vice President and Senior Estimator at Atlas Masonry. If you're looking for more than just a job and want a career where you can learn, grow, and be part of something bigger, then this is the place for you.
We're a very family-oriented business here at Atlas Masonry. We have healthcare, profit-sharing programs. We really care about what happens to our employees out there.
We support each other, challenge each other, and we hold ourselves to the highest standard because it isn't just a job, it's our name on the project.
You're not just a number here. We're trying to bring in and create a family atmosphere that you can grow with. I've got guys that work for me that were a tender that are now project managers. We try to build from within. That's what I believe in.
I've been with Atlas for 25 years. Working for Atlas and the 𝗧𝗛 family has been phenomenal. Very family orientated. We make sure our guys get what they need. We make sure that we trickle that down to our employees, and we try to take care of our employees as best as possible. We're looking for you.